Okay, now we discuss the last three MCQs that is related to the AC circuit, that is for electromagnetic wave, Maxwell generalized, Gauss's law for magnetism, Gauss's law for electricity, Faraday law, and Ampere law. So we know that the Maxwell changed the equation, that is the Ampere law. It added the displacement current into the Ampere formula for completing the set of the Maxwell equation. So Maxwell added the displacement current to Ampere law, completing the set of Maxwell equation. So here is the option D is correct, that is changing in the Ampere law. Okay, now move to the next MCQs. That is asked that the electromagnetic wave goes from air to glass, which of the following does not change? Radio wave, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation, ultrasound wave. Okay, we know that when the electromagnetic wave move from one medium to another medium, it changes the wavelength and speed, but frequency is remain same. We know that here is the radio wave, X-rays, ultraviolet radiation. These are the electromagnetic wave, and the ultrasound wave, that is not the electromagnetic wave, that is the mechanical wave. So it does not change. So here we write that speed and wavelength of an electromagnetic wave change according to medium, but frequency remain the same. Here, ultra sound is not an electromagnetic wave, it is a mechanical wave. So here is the option D, which does not change because it is not the electromagnetic wave. Okay, now we discuss the last MCQs of the AC circuit. That is the circuit in which the current and voltage are in phase. The power factor is 0, 1, -1, and 2. Okay, here we know that the power factor, that is equal to cos phi. So current and voltage are in phase. When the current and voltage are in phase, then phi is equal to 0. So cos 0, that is equal to 1. So power factor when the current and voltage are in phase, that is equal to 1. So option 1 is correct. That is the all MCQs that is related to the chapter AC circuit. Hope you understand the all MCQs.